Hey guys, we're all here in the wood yard today. Got to get a little bit of oak split up. I've had it cut for a few weeks now. We need to get it cut, split up and stacked. Got the wood splitter warming up in the background, and follow along.
Okay, here's my best attempt at splitting as fast as I can with the County Line 25-ton splitter. I use the 4-way wedge for the majority of the red oak here. Some of the bigger stuff and some of those knottier stuff I do not use the 4-way wedge because the 1-way just works a little bit better. But a lot of this oak I'm able to use the 4-way wedge for it. But it only allows me to do so much. One way I could do, perhaps increase my speed here, is to not let the ram return all the way back to the home position. Stop it, just so I have enough room to fit in my pieces of wood on the I-beam. But otherwise, this is pretty much as fast as you can go with a County Line 25-ton splitter. Not too bad. This phase cord and a half didn't take quite too long, but it was definitely some work, so hope you enjoy it.
what do you guys think of my speed splitting? I'm doing the best I can with the County Line 25-ton wood splitter from Tractor Supply Company. I think on this session here I did about as quick as I could go. I think it's Kelly's Country Life. He's got a system set up on the wood splitter that does an automatic shutoff, so the cylinder doesn't fully retract. I'd like to do that someday, maybe with this splitter, but I don't have a welder, and I think it would be pretty beneficial to have a welder to do that system. But yeah, I went as fast as I could with this. Maybe if I did a couple more things, it'd go a little bit quicker, but it went pretty quick. I feel like good progress in getting this face cord and a half split in not too long of time. We'll get it stacked up now and then send you on your way. All right, that's it. Got her stacked. I got a few more pieces here left over on top, and then I got a bunch of kindling that I'm going to save for later that I just threw on top of the racks for now. But yeah, we're ready to go. I'm going to go get the Kioti, get the wood splitter out of here, and then we'll clean up all the junk that's laying on the ground. Got wood shavings and parts and pieces of logs, so we'll get them cleaned up now. That's next. Did I say that I love the Kioti? It is a really nice tool to have for working around the wood yard and everything around the whole property. Hope you can hear me okay. I don't have my big mic on today. But I'm going to finish raking up this crap and dump it in the hole over here, the sinkhole, keep filling it up. And that's it for today. I got some others. I got to change a brake caliper in a car and do a couple other things tonight, and then do it again tomorrow. So if you like this video, hit the like button, maybe subscribe to my channel. Let's leave a comment. Let's hear what you got to say about the Kioti. If you have a tractor, what do you use it for? Same with the wood splitter. Was I pretty quick at splitting that oak? I feel like I went as fast as I could, but you never know. Otherwise, have a great week. Be safe, be healthy, be good. Thanks for watching, and we'll check you out on the next one. Bye-bye.